Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am at Planet Fitness right now and getting ready to upload my new van build video. It's got to be better than the last one. I so apologize to everybody that watched that. For some reason it was just cut off from my nose up. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out this YouTube thing, so bear with me. But let's go check out my van build. Ready? Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my van to Wanda, and she's a 1998 Dodge Caravan, and let's go take a look. So as you can see, I have taken out the front seat and I put in a Big Joe beanbag chair so that I can stretch out, put my feet up on the ottoman. That ottoman has my clothes and my butane stove in it. Up front with my chair, I put my Planet Fitness bag. Now my bed is 10-inch gel foam memory mattress. It's 30 inches wide, 72 inches long, and I have the bed 12 inches off the floor. The cubicles that I have underneath the bed, there's 4 of them. I have one for my cleaning supplies, one for my pots and pans, one for my electronics, and one for my food. I made window coverings for the outside window here and the inside window. I made a little valance, and I put some lights under there, and I hung up some pictures of my kids and my brother. So just a little piece of home. And then I went with a beachy kind of theme, because I'm from Florida. I grew up in Florida, and I kind of miss it sometimes. So there's my ceiling. I got some netting and some shells. I made that little stand for the back. We'll go around the back and take a look at that. And there's my fridge, the 12-volt fridge. And these lights right here, I really like them. They're super bright, and they run on batteries. And you can remove them and walk around with them if you need to, or grab it to see something in the middle of the night. And of course, my pepper spray. It's all about security. Okay, I carry 55 gallons of water. I bought this sunshade. It's actually a shade that you put down on the beach, and then like 2 chairs. It kind of sits like this on the beach. But I took it bottoms up and put it up and attached it to the van. It has a strap that goes through the back 2 windows. So it goes in one window, out the other, and attaches to the sunscreen, making it super sturdy. It also comes with pegs at the very bottom, so that you can peg it to the ground for extra stability. I have an e-bike. It's been a total game changer. So without it, I wouldn't be able to get very far as like hiking, going down trails, or even sightseeing. So yeah, I really love my e-bike. I'll do a review on that, a video, because there's a few things we can talk about that. All right, and then we'll look under here. And you can see I have my Blue Eddy solar panels. I built that shelf so that, for one, the refrigerator has ventilation down the left corner there. Have an electric blanket, some DVDs, a puzzle, and some paints. I keep oil and different things in my trunk. But that's what it looks like under there. And this sunshade's really cool. I have string lights that I run from inside the van out to it at night, and we put chairs underneath, and it's just a really nice little setup. I mean, it's light, it brightens up the dark, it keeps animals away, provides cover from rain or anything else. And I am also in the process of painting her. And I started, I don't know if you can see, but it's going to be gray. It was blue. I've got this side done. Still got to do that bottom down there. But yeah. Oh, these window coverings here. I got those at Walmart. So they're sunshades. They protect against the mosquitoes. You can leave your windows down and the air can still get through. Comes in 2 of them. You get them in the baby section of Walmart. I think they were $12.95. Well, guys, I hope that was informative enough. If you have any questions at all, feel free to comment. I answer all my comments. And yeah, just let me know. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, of course. And come travel with me as we check out free camping in the United States. Have a great day. Thank y'all. Bye.